Okay, for mixing and baking our cake mix, I just took a packaged cake mix and I followed the instructions on the back. Be sure to preheat your oven. Anyway, I dumped the yellow cake mix into my stand mixer and I'm adding the ingredients that it calls for. By the way, that cup that I just showed you is for liquid measure. Use that instead of just the dry measure cups. In go the eggs. So I crack the eggs one at a time because we don't want to get any shells into our mix. And then I add the rest of the ingredients, which was oil and water. So using a whisk attachment, you will mix your ingredients for 2 minutes on medium-high. Just follow your package instructions. Once you have mixed for 2 minutes, then you will be pouring your batter into your prepared cake pan. So once you've poured your batter into your cake pan, tap it on the countertop a couple times to release some of the big air bubbles. The outside of the cake bakes more quickly than the middle, causing a doming effect. Wrap a damp, twisted towel around the cake pan to minimize this so you don't get that big dome. I wrap a damp, twisted towel around the cake pan to minimize the dome. Lay the damp towel onto the oven shelf first, then put in the cake pan, wrapping the towel around the pan. The excess towel should be trailed away from the pan. I recommend using oven mitts because of course you're working with a hot oven. And once your cake is baked, you remove the cake from the oven and the towel. Make sure you use oven mitts to take out that towel because that towel is wet and hot. And there you go. You have a more level cake layer.